So this was only maybe a 45-minute drive from Mammoth, and it just feels like we're in a completely different world. So we're here at Mono Lake looking at some water deposit structures called tufas. Tufas? Tufa? Tuffa?
Depends on where you're from.
Where is your accent from? Tufa, tufa. We are just on another planet. Beautiful spring out here. Such a gorgeous day. It's mid-April right now, springtime in the Eastern Sierras, and lots of snow on the ground, 40 degrees in Mammoth. And here we are at Mono Lake, sweating to death. We were just laughing about the fact that this morning I left in snow pants and snowshoes to come out here. Don't need that! Hey, Bev!
So hot, hey.
Thank you so much for bringing me to Mono Lake.
You're welcome, thanks for coming.